This video will guide you through the process of logging out of Netflix on your Apple TV. We'll show you the steps to securely sign out, especially important on shared devices. Start from your Apple TV home screen, where you'll see various app icons, including Netflix. Navigate to and open the Netflix app to access its interface. On your Apple TV device, the logout process ensures your account remains secure. Remember, logging out is crucial on shared devices to protect your viewing history and prevent others from accessing your account. Begin by opening the Netflix app on your Apple TV. Navigate to the home screen, where you'll see various app icons. Locate the Netflix icon, which features a red N logo. Select the Netflix icon to open the app. Once opened, Netflix will show the profile selection screen. Choose a profile by highlighting it. For example, select the Encore profile. Press Select on your Apple TV remote to choose the profile. You'll now see the main Netflix screen with recommendations and content. To access the menu, look for the menu icon, typically 3 horizontal lines, located on the left side or top right of the screen. Highlight the menu icon using your Apple TV remote. Press Select to open the menu. In the menu that appears, scroll down to navigate through the options. Highlight the Get Help option, which is used in older Netflix app versions. Press the Select button on the Apple TV remote to choose Get Help. Within the Get Help menu, scroll down if needed to locate the Sign Out option. Highlight the Sign Out button using animated focus. Click the Sign Out option. A confirmation prompt will appear. Select Sign Out to confirm. After selecting Sign Out of all devices from your account settings, you will need to confirm this choice. This step ensures you don't accidentally sign out all your devices. Look for the confirmation button, typically labeled Confirm, Sign Out, or similar. It will be highlighted to draw your attention. Click or select the Confirm button to proceed. This will sign you out of all devices associated with your account, including the Apple TV. Once confirmed, the sign-out process completes immediately, securing your account across all platforms. If the Netflix app freezes or becomes unresponsive on your Apple TV, the first step is to restart the device. To restart your Apple TV, press and hold the TV button on your Siri remote until a menu appears, then select Restart. Wait for the device to reboot completely. If you can't find the Sign Out option in the Netflix app, ensure you have the latest app version or try accessing the Get Help menu. Go to the App Store on your Apple TV to check for Netflix app updates. Alternatively, within the Netflix app, navigate to Get Help and look for the Sign Out option there. If you've forgotten your Netflix password, you can reset it through the email sent to your account. To reset your password, go to netflix.com/loginhelp in a web browser. Enter your email address and follow the instructions in the email to create a new password. After successfully signing out, the Netflix app returns to the profile selection screen, confirming that the logout was completed. You'll see the familiar profile selection interface, ready for someone to choose their profile or manage accounts. To recap, we covered 2 effective methods for logging out of Netflix on Apple TV. The first method uses the Netflix app menu directly on your Apple TV. The second method involves deactivating devices through the Netflix website on a computer or mobile device.